life can be unpredictable. One moment you're coasting along, and the next, your car breaks down, or you're hit with a sudden medical bill. This is where an emergency fund becomes your best financial defense. Today, we're going to talk about why building an emergency fund is one of the smartest, most crucial moves you can make for your financial security. So what exactly is an emergency fund? In simple terms, it's a savings cushion that's there when life throws unexpected expenses your way. It's not for vacations, new gadgets, or fancy dinners. It's there for those oh no moments. Emergencies happen to everyone, and when they do, not having a backup plan can land you in serious financial trouble. Let me give you an example. Say you lose your job. How long could you go without a paycheck before things get really tight? That's where the emergency fund steps in. It buys you time and peace of mind. The experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. That's your safety net. Now I get it. 3 to 6 months of expenses can sound like a lot. But don't worry, you don't have to save that overnight. Start small. Even saving $500 to $1,000 can protect you from minor emergencies like a car repair or a medical bill. The key is consistency. Every little bit helps. But how do you build this emergency fund without feeling overwhelmed? It's simple. Start by automating your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate high-yield savings account that's only for emergencies. This way, you don't even have to think about it, and your fund grows bit by bit over time. And speaking of where to keep your emergency fund, you want it to be accessible, but not too accessible. A high-yield savings account is perfect. You'll earn a little interest while keeping the money close enough for emergencies, but not so close that you're tempted to spend it on non-essentials. Here's a quick plan for you. First, set a realistic goal. Maybe start with $1,000. Second, automate your savings to make it a habit. And finally, make a commitment. Your emergency fund is not a luxury, it's your financial lifeline. At the end of the day, an emergency fund isn't just about saving money. It's about building financial security, reducing stress, and knowing you have a plan when the unexpected happens. So I challenge you, take action today. Start building your emergency fund, even if it's just $50 a month. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more practical financial tips, and share this video with someone who might need that extra push to start their own emergency fund. Together we can build financial security, one small step at a time.